everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Bitcoin's latest rally as it breaks past $90,000. If you're a crypto investor or just watching the space, this is one of those moments where things start to get really interesting. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and join our free WhatsApp Crypto Hub for expert insights and real-time market updates. You'll find the link to that in the description. So we're going to dive into Bitcoin. Okay, so as of today, Bitcoin is sitting at just above $90,000, marking another major milestone in this current market cycle. This surge continues from last week's bounce off the 84,500 support level, where institutional buying pressure helped reverse a brief consolidation phase that we've been seeing. Now, I want to show you guys here on the charts the recent breakout above $88,000, the strong RSI trend momentum that we're getting, and also some of the institutional support volume spike that we've seen. So as you can see here on screen, we've got two different levels of support. So the first support is here at $88,000. And you can see that we've broken straight through that and headed into the resistance, which is just at $90,200 roughly, and the zone goes up to 92. So where we're at the moment, we've got two major levels of support that we want to make sure that we're able to keep above. We've blown past the first one, which was that $88,000. We've also come through the second, and you can see here with the resistance that we're facing, there are a number of areas that we've got to try and break through here. So you can see there's a major area over here, another one here, and also over in this direction. And that's what we need to try and break through next. But you can see here on this trend, okay, this trend we've managed to break out of. We've managed to keep ourselves above water, and we've finally started having the breakthrough that we've been looking for. Now, if you look at the volume here, we've seen really strong institutional volume spikes that were on Monday, the 7th of April, and also on Wednesday, the 9th of April. And you can see if you were to draw a line straight across here coming down, this is coming to a point where we're expecting to see some form of breakout, which is what I believe is taking place right now. And the RSI backs that up. Both of these lines, both the purple and the yellow, are both coming towards the upside. So things are looking really, really positive for Bitcoin and the crypto market right now. So what would you say is actually fueling the rally? Well, there's several key drivers that are pushing Bitcoin higher right now. Now, the first one is the ETF inflows that we've seen on Bitcoin. Recent SEC filings show fresh inflows into spot Bitcoin ETFs. These institutional vehicles are attracting billions in managed capital. And I'm going to show you guys that on CoinGlass now. Okay, so this is the total Bitcoin spot ETF net inflow in dollars. So what this shows us here, obviously anything that is in green is an inflow that's coming in. Anything that is in red is an outflow that's coming out. And then you've got this yellow line, which is Bitcoin's price, which you can follow the whole way across. Now, what you'll notice is the last two lines that we've got here are massively in the green, in particular this one. So we're starting to see that these inflows of institutional money are starting to come back into the market. And the main drivers for this will come down to macro factors. So we're seeing these dovish tones start to come through from the Fed with speculation around a potential rate cut in May. This obviously improves risk appetite. But $1 trillion pension fund is reportedly allocating up to $1 billion of that into Bitcoin. Now, that's a clear institutional signal. So we can see here from the ETF inflows, things are starting to get positive in the market again. And what that tends to do is then have a direct impact on altcoins. So if we talk about altcoins and the top performers in the market at the moment, and what I tend to do is look at top performing altcoins from the top 20 by market cap to give people a clear indication of where things are going. So I'm going to jump onto CoinMarketCap and show you some of the performances and the top 3 that are standing out for me. Okay, so this is CoinMarketCap, and it shows you all of the cryptocurrency prices by market cap with all of the top performing coins. So we can see here, you've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, all of the top coins here. But the ones that are standing out for me right now are Solana, okay? And this is one of the very fast and very massively adopted blockchains that's being used in the space. It's what everyone's sparked up, huge aspect of. And the other ones that are standing out for me at the moment as well is Chainlink. As you can see here, Chainlink is up 8% on the weekly. And also Avalanche, AVAX, which is one of the gaming coins, is up 3.7% on the 7-day. So we're actually starting to see some life come back to some of these altcoins. And it's definitely worth keeping a close eye on the likes of Solana, Cardano, Chainlink, AVAX, XRP, and the one that really I think a lot of people are talking about at the moment that just doesn't seem to be moving yet is Ethereum. Now, I still believe that Ethereum is going to do fantastic numbers in the future, but as things stand at the moment, it's the coin that everybody loves to hate. It's still sitting there at $1,650. But time will tell. Institutions are buying this for a reason, and you've got to make sure that you're following the smart money. To give you guys an outlook for sort of Bitcoin price predictions, strategies that you can employ, analysts are forecasting a Bitcoin run to 100K by June. And this is obviously if institutional inflows continue to persist and macro conditions stay bullish. The key resistance at the moment is at $90,500 to $92,000. That zone that I was showing you guys before, which I'll bring up for you again, just to give you a better picture. So you can see this red zone here, that's your resistance zone, which is what I was referencing earlier. And really, if you're trading, consider trailing stop orders. Make sure you're using technicals like the RSI that I showed you on screen earlier, and also the MACD on a daily time frame. Focus on that key support at 88,000 and also that second support at 84,500. And also, please remember, you guys can join our free crypto hub. If you want daily insights, chart setups, expert market analysis, direct access to an expert team, then you can join that by simply clicking the link in the description below. We cover everything from trade entries to fundamental insights, education, strategies, and we look at different altcoins. Like, for example, one of the ones we're talking about a lot at the moment is called Velo, and another one called Ondo. They both fall into that kind of XRP, RWA, ISO 2002 category, which we think have massive upside potential. So make sure that you click the link below to make sure that you join today. So to wrap up, Bitcoin's surging, institutions are buying, altcoins are starting to heat up, and we might be on the edge of another major leg up here. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to join the free WhatsApp group for all the latest updates. Stay sharp, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.